Hi, here's the desktop version of how to add or remove someone with admin or posting privileges from your Facebook business page. From the business page, click on Settings on the left, scroll down just a touch, and then click on Page Setup. Now click on Page Access and you will see the options that are available. The first one is People with Facebook Access, and this means that these people will be able to switch into the page and manage it directly using Facebook or through the Meta Business Suite or the Creator Studio. They can do everything an admin needs to do to manage, post, and update your page, including removing and adding other admins. Now, if you already have someone added to your page, you're going to see their profile picture and their name here, along with their permissions for your page. If you want to remove them, there will be 3 dots to the far right that you can click on to revoke their access. And be sure that you have your password ready because you're going to need to enter that. Now, to add someone as an admin in this capacity, you're going to want to click on the far right where it says Add, and then begin typing this person's name, and a list is going to propagate so that you can select their profile, or you could enter their email address instead. Facebook is going to send them an invitation to admin your business page, and they will have 30 days to accept it. And by the way, they will see the invitation when they visit your business page too, if for some reason they have lost their notification. Now, real quickly, I want to go over the next 2 admin options just so that you're aware and to keep this as brief but as informative as possible. People with task access means that these people cannot switch into the page on Facebook, but they can manage specific tasks using Meta Business Suite or the Creator Studio. They can post and update posts, for instance, but they cannot delete the page or run ads. Community managers are great to have if and when you do live streams on Facebook because they can moderate the comments and suspend or remove people who violate community standards during your stream. And there you have it. That's how you can add or remove an admin on your Facebook business page.